Hello, welcome to the REVEAL Diamond Detector 2S training series. In this video, we'll show you how to add new users to your REVEAL device through the myReveal app. Let's get started. First, open your app. After logging into your app, you'll be greeted by the home screen of the myReveal app. Tap the devices icon, located at the bottom of the screen. Select the device for which you want to manage users. Tap on Users from the menu. Keep in mind, only device admins can add, remove, or edit user information. Regular REVEAL users can only view the user list. On the user screen, you can see a list of everyone who has access to this REVEAL device. To manage a user, simply tap on their name. This will open a quick action menu with several options. Update information to change the user's role. Reset password to help the user set a new password. Resend invitation if the user hasn't yet accepted their invite. And delete user to permanently remove the user from the device. To add a new user, tap the Add User button on the top right corner of the screen. The Add User form will appear. Here, you'll need to enter the user's first name, last name, email address, and select their role. When you tap Add User, the system checks if the email address belongs to an existing myReveal account. If it does, the user is automatically added and assigned the selected role. If the invited user does not have a myReveal account, an invitation email is sent automatically. The user will be asked to create a password and complete their registration. Until the user completes their registration, they will still appear in your user list. If needed, you can resend the invitation. Once the user finishes registration, they'll gain access to the device according to the role you assigned. Keep in mind, if the user already has a JTR account but belongs to a different organization, they can only be added as a user for security reasons. Let's talk about admin roles and what they can do in the myReveal app. Only team members can be granted admin access. Guest users cannot be assigned as admins. Admins have powerful control over the device and REVEAL settings. Here's what they can do: add, remove, or edit any user, including other admins. Delete or update all saved analyses. Permanently erase the REVEAL device from the account. Because the admin role comes with full control, we strongly recommend that only trusted users are given admin access. The REVEAL owner should always be careful when assigning this level of permission. Now let's go over the user role in the myReveal app. Users have limited access and permissions compared to admins. A user can view the user list, but cannot add, remove, or update any users. They can only edit or delete the analyses that they themselves have saved. This role is ideal for team members who need access to the device but don't require full administrative control. In this video, we learned how to add users to your REVEAL device through the myReveal app and explored the different roles and permissions available. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. To get the most out of your REVEAL device and explore all the features offered by myReveal app, continue watching our training videos on JTR Academy. For more detailed information, visit help.jtr.org. You can also reach out to us directly at revealsupport@jtr.org or visit our website at jtr.org. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new training release.